When it comes to window installation in Dallas homes, the process involves more than simply choosing a design and scheduling an appointment. Dallas homeowners face unique environmental conditions, architectural styles, and energy requirements that must be considered for a successful project. Whether you're building a new home or replacing old windows, understanding these factors can save you time, money, and potential headaches. Climate considerations. Dallas experiences hot summers with temperatures often exceeding 100 degrees Fahrenheit and mild winters. This dramatic range makes energy efficiency a top priority when selecting windows. Opt for windows with double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and argon gas fills. These features help minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter, which reduces energy bills. In addition to energy efficiency, consider windows that provide UV protection to safeguard your interiors. Dallas' abundant sunshine can fade furniture, carpets, and artwork over time. High-quality windows with UV blocking technology can preserve the beauty and longevity of your furnishings. Energy efficiency and material choices. The material of your windows plays a significant role in their energy performance. Here are some common options. Vinyl. Affordable, low maintenance, and excellent for energy efficiency, vinyl is a popular choice for Dallas homes. Fiberglass. Known for its durability and resistance to extreme weather, fiberglass is an excellent long-term investment. Wood. While aesthetically pleasing and versatile, wood requires regular maintenance to withstand the Texas climate. Aluminum. Lightweight and durable but less energy efficient unless equipped with thermal brakes. Look for Energy Star rated windows tailored to the southern U.S. climate zone. These models meet strict energy efficiency guidelines and can help you qualify for rebates or tax incentives. Storm preparedness and durability. Dallas is no stranger to severe weather, including thunderstorms and hail. Your windows should be robust enough to handle these conditions. Impact-resistant glass, reinforced frames, and professional installation are critical to ensuring durability. Consider laminated glass, which stays intact even when shattered, reducing the risk of injury and damage during storms. Architectural style and aesthetics. Dallas is home to diverse architectural styles, from contemporary designs to classic Texas ranch homes. Your windows should complement your home's aesthetic while providing functionality. Popular window styles in Dallas include picture windows. Ideal for framing scenic views while providing ample natural light. Double-hung windows. Classic and versatile, they offer excellent ventilation. Casement windows. Energy efficient and easy to operate, perfect for modern designs. Bay and bow windows. Great for creating a sense of space and adding charm to traditional homes. Work with a professional who can tailor window styles and frame colors to suit your home's unique character. Professional installation. Even the best windows won't perform well if installed incorrectly. In Dallas, where extreme temperatures and sudden storms are common, professional installation is essential. Choose an installer with experience in the local climate and knowledge of building codes. Proper sealing, flashing, and alignment prevent air leaks, water infiltration, and premature wear. Budget and ROI. Window installation is a significant investment, but it's also one of the most rewarding. Energy-efficient windows can reduce utility costs, enhance curb appeal, and increase property value. Research financing options and look for manufacturers or installers offering warranties. Rebates from local utilities and federal tax credits can also help offset initial costs. Maintenance requirements. Ease of maintenance is another crucial consideration. Tilt-in windows, for instance, simplify cleaning and are a great option for two-story homes. Weather-resistant materials like vinyl and fiberglass require less upkeep, saving time and effort. Environmental impact. Sustainability matters to many Dallas homeowners. Choose windows made from recyclable materials and opt for energy-efficient designs to reduce your carbon footprint. Partnering with environmentally conscious manufacturers and installers further supports green practices. Conclusion. Installing windows in Dallas homes requires thoughtful planning and consideration of the area's unique climate, architectural diversity, and energy needs. By prioritizing energy efficiency, durability, and professional installation, you can ensure a successful project that enhances your home's comfort, beauty, and value. Partner with trusted local professionals to guide you through the process and make the most of your investment.